Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Makeover Monday. So today we're going to be making a low carb cheese ball, perfect for Thanksgiving because we are going to make it in the shape of a pumpkin. So it won't be pumpkin flavored, but it will be shaped like a pumpkin. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food and fun, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, I love a good cheese ball. Well, you guys know I love cheese. I buy that big bag, right? So this cheese ball, we're going to be making a bacon ranch one, but you can really do this with just about any cheese ball recipe that you like if you have a favorite one. I know when Mark's mom was around, she used to always make she would make cheese logs instead of balls, and she would make a couple of them at Christmas time, and they would be the first thing to go. We just loved them so much. So this is super easy to make, and it's super cute. So I've got 2 packages of cream cheese here. I'm going to add in a full package of real bacon pieces. There's usually one of those little silica packs in here to make sure it's not going to wind up in my cheese ball. Okay, so you can use the bacon flavored bits, but I don't think that's very good. So real bacon pieces, and that's because I was being lazy. Usually I would just cook up some bacon. So now we're going to add some ranch, a ranch packet. And I've got a couple of green onions here. Get all my ranch out. I got about 3 green onions that I just chopped up. And then I've got 2 cups of, it's a cheddar, and you can use whatever kind of cheese you want, really. I would make sure that it's finely shredded, though. So I've got 2 cups here. I'm just going to put about half of this in, and I'm going to save the other half for the outside of the cheese ball. All right, so I'm just going to mix all this together, which might take me a little bit. All right, that didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. Because if I'm being honest, I just got my hands in there and mixed it up. It's so much easier. And now that I have it all mixed up, I've got some saran wrap here. I'm going to move over. And we're just going to take our cream cheese mixture, if I don't drop this bowl, and put it onto there. And then we're going to try our best to shape this into a ball. All right, let's see here. Just kind of roll it around. I think I needed a bigger piece of saran wrap. It's getting there though. We'll just do kind of like a rough ball. That's what we'll do there. Then the other thing we need is an extra piece of saran wrap and the rest of our cheese. So I'm going to sprinkle this on here. And I'm going to transfer my little cheese ball right over onto there. There we go. Let's put a little more cheese on top. So you can do this with cheese. You can do this with pecans if you like nuts on the outside of your cheese ball. You can even do cheese puffs. I've seen cheese puffs done. Actually, I've done cheese puffs. It's been a long time, but you just take 3 cups, I think, of like not your regular Cheetos, but the cheese puffs, and stick them in a food processor and grind them up really fine. And then you just do the same thing that I'm doing here. Okay, and then when we've got just about all of the cheese stuck to our cheese ball, I'm gonna make sure it's still kind of in a ball here. I wanna make sure it's kind of tall. We're gonna wrap some rubber bands around this and it's gonna flatten it out a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close up our saran wrap. There we go. And then I have got, you can either do 3 or 4 rubber bands that I'm going to put around here. And I'm going to do this kind of like you do like a pie chart or how you cut a pie. We're just going to do this into 8 equal pieces. I think we'll do 4 rubber bands. I think it'll be a little bit easier that way to get them all even. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. And see how it starts to pull those sides in, and it'll make the markings of what look like a pumpkin. Get this around here. And make sure all your rubber bands are nice and straight. There we go. And one more. Oh, this one is not straight. This one is crooked. There we go. All right, last one here. All right, and then once it looks like it's even on all sides, then we can transfer it to the fridge. So we want to leave this in there either overnight or for at least 4 hours. Okay, so I had a little mishap on the way to the freezer. One of my rubber bands busted, so I had to do it with just 3. Those were the only 4 rubber bands I had. So the shape of my pumpkin changed a little bit. It has 6 sections instead of 8, but that's okay. It's still cute. The other thing is, I did not have 4 hours for this to set up. It's only been a couple hours, so hopefully it's firm enough that when I take the plastic off, it's not going to hurt it. So I'm going to be very, very gentle. So hopefully it stays looking like a pumpkin. Go. And our saran wrap. There we go. And then I already have my little serving board here that I'm going to put it on. So I'm just going to gently try to take it off of here. It looks like there's like a small indentation in the top of this side. So that's the way I'm going to leave it, just like that. And then the other thing that we need is, you can do this with a pepper or even like a jalapeno pepper, but you just need the little stem right off the top. So I just washed it and cut this out, and we're going to place this right in the top of there. How stinking cute is that? If you guys think this is cute, wait till you see the ones I'm going to make for Christmas. Super, super cute. And if it doesn't look exactly perfect, you can always kind of go in with a butter knife, but I think it looks really, really cute. And this is one of these recipes, like you can make this up a couple of days in advance. I would not decorate it until you get ready to serve it though. So like the cheese might become kind of mushy, you know, pecans too. So I would make it up a couple days in advance, and then right before you serve it, I would put the little stem on, and then either the cheese or the pecans or the cheese puffs, whatever you're going to put on the outside of it. And matter of fact, I think I'm going to freeze this. This freezes really well. So we've only got a couple of weeks till Thanksgiving. This will take one like appetizer off my plate that I don't have to worry about. So I'm not going to try it. But you guys know bacon and ranch is delicious. So give it a try. Or like I said, use your own favorite cheese ball recipes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. It's super cute, right? I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.